Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana Self Forum. Today I will talk about 5 stages of grief. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you find my videos helpful, then kindly share with your friends and family. Before knowing about the stages of grief, first of all we have to know about what is grief. Grief doesn't stop. Grief can be harder and lonely. Sometimes you will feel like it will never end. And psychologists they try to figure it out over a century. And after doing so many research, the answer they have got is that it is a totally normal process. And it is different for everyone. And grief we define as it is an emotional process of coping with a loss. And this loss can include loss of your loved one, loss of your job, or loss of your body part. It might be anything. When we think about grief, the first thing that comes to our mind is that Kübler-Ross model. Kübler-Ross has done extensive research on terminally ill patients, and finally she came to the conclusion that we all go through 5 stages as we process with grief. So the first stage that is given by Kübler-Ross model is that denial. So here they will respond that no, it can't happen to me, or no, it can't be true. So denial is a one kind of protective mechanism that the person wants to use. They don't want to believe that that particular loss has happened to them. So this is called denial phase. Now we are coming to the second stage, that is anger. Why me? It is not fair. These are the comments that is often expressed during the anger stage. Anger may be directed at self or displaced on loved one, caregiver, or to the God. So we have seen that first of all he will try to deny the truth. Then secondly he will move to the anger stage. And now we are coming to the third stage, that is bargaining. So here in this stage what they will do, suppose you have lost your loved one. So here the person will try to bargain with the God. So he will say that if God will help me through this, I will surely go to the church every Sunday. So he will try to bargain with the God. So this is called bargaining phase. So basically it is an attempt to postpone the loss. So first of all he will try to deny the truth. Secondly he will be angry, that is why it is happening to them. Then thirdly he will try to bargain with the God that if you will bring back my mother, then I will surely go to the church every Sunday, like that. And fourth stage is depression. That means he is in the process of acceptance of the truth. In this stage, the full impact of the loss is experienced. So this is the time of quite desperation and disengagement from all the association. That means in this phase only the person will give a psychological response to the grief. So psychological response means the sadness, or the person here will feel loneliness, and he might unable to concentrate on his work. He might lose his focus. So these are some psychological response that we can see during a grief period of a person. We are coming to the last point, that is acceptance. So first what he will do, he will deny. Then secondly he will be angry that why it is happening to them. Thirdly he will bargain with the God. Then fourthly he will go to depression. That means he is in the process of acceptance of the truth. Then fifth stage is our acceptance. And this final stage brings a feeling of peace regarding the loss that has occurred. Focus is on the reality of the loss. And if the person is finally accepting the truth, that means he is affected by it. So these are some 5 stages that has given by Kübler-Ross, and these stages we also known it as Kübler-Ross model. All individuals do not experience these stages of grief in response to a loss, and it is not also necessary for them to experience in this order. Some person grieving behavior may fluctuate, and even it might be overlap between stages. I hope all of you have learned something new today, and if you really like my videos, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. Till then, thank you so much.